Kadang-kadang aku tahu je video tu dia tak perfect and ada benda boleh improve, tapi aku still post juga. Contohnya, baru ni aku ada buat posting dalam format storytelling. And then bila aku shoot storytelling video tu, sebenarnya aku terlupa nak pasang softbox. Bila aku dah tengah edit tu baru aku perasan, softbox lupa nak on maknanya lighting tak cukup tak cukup cantik kan. But anyway, aku just edit the video and still upload. And the video tak viral lah. Biasanya video storytelling aku buat dapat 100k views within 24 hours, or at least 10,000 views But it's okay sebab aku dah lama tak post video. And the point of posting the video is just to get the engine running. Aku tahu it's not gonna be perfect and dia mungkin tak jadi pun. And in fact the hook was quite weak. Bila dah post and then tengok result, view ratus-ratus je, dalam 500 lebih. Bila dah dapat result macam tu, I don't blame the algorithm. Even though masa tu aku post dekat account personal, biasanya post dekat account satu lagi. It's alright guys, it's okay to make mistakes. Yang penting kita ada progress and we learn from our mistakes The old me would have beat myself up, reshoot the whole video ataupun tak post langsung pun video tu. But yeah, after practicing and facing failures many times, kita rasa okay je. It's actually okay je. Buat silap kecil-kecil, buat silap bodoh-bodoh ni kan, actually tak ada effect apa pun. It's just ourselves judging diri sendiri. Maybe ada orang yang judge pada peringkat ni, but it's okay. Once you get the result yang you nak, orang tak akan ingat pun kegagalan kita. Orang just akan ingat kita punya kejayaan and wonder how do we get there. Guys, if you want to do something, just start. Jangan fikir nak perfectkan dulu, just start je dulu. Nanti kita learn from mistake. See you guys on the next storytelling video, and hopefully ada improvement.